want to call it that, and the team Maskandi, they call him Amabinga. Well, that is how the banter really ensues as we get to see a number of these players or the artists that have come to make sure that they continue to entertain and take this responsibility of bringing together sports enthusiasts and celebrity. Big Zulu, oh, here's my man, Rechi Mapensela. He does well to reserve his energy, but he's also looking for the supply. But Donald hooks that ball in. Here's an opportunity for hip-hop. Goodness be the opener.
Unaye thola ke umdambe umaster nakezama ke ibhola ke liphuma ke eceleni kwepali uyabona ukuthi ke bayabona ukuthi lento yokuthi ke balobezama ukuthi bawubhodloze leyo backline uDlomo ucareful kakhulu lapha ke emuva wenza konke ke okusemandleni ke ebamsene ke naye ke uDonald ke umdlalo ke lo othanda ke ukuba tactical ke ngendlela ke bezama ke ukuthola ke inhlamlenze lapha ke ukhuzani ke umfoka Mpungose kodwa ke uDonald nje uloyigade njalo uyabona ukuthi ke ngiyaqala ukubona ihip hop iphethe kahle kanje yakhuza ke uNompempe uthi abadlalanga kahle lapha bedlalisa ke uVilane thiwa ke ibhola ke lizobekwa phansi kube ke i-free kick i-captain ukuthi ke abuza imibuzo lapha goalkeeper ukuthi ke mhlambe khona yini ke into abangayithola na sibone ke uNkelo V ethi uyazama kodwa ke ufaka unyawo lapha umfoka Dlomo sibone ke nangu ke theleni no ayiphakamisa sibona ukuthi ke cha kodwa ke iyabaceza bonke hamba nje iyophumela ngaphandle ngapha nje kwesobunxele se-hip hop sokudla ke sikamaskandi isicathulo uDlomo ke elithumela phambili nangu KE efuna ke uZulu wafelwa ngathatha i-risk lapha ugatsheni ke igagu lasophongolo lisusa ke ibhola linikeza ugoalkeeper naba bayibuyisa uBig Zulu ipali lodwa uBig Zulu enza njalo uBig Zulu phezu kwepali Zulu mntanami akhala umoba lapha ebhenjini uCasper ayikhona lodwa bathi kodwa Zulu mntanami usenzani captain captain cishe ugoalkeeper wayilahle buzi yomsebenzi good idea ubethe ke ngelinye ilanga mengathula ureferee kade ke uthuthene kanje umuntu esehamba ke eyothola akudingayo goalkeeper eyihlakani ebhodini Gloria we need one goal la ukuze ivuleke igame le game le ithanda kuba inkinga mangithi ke ngiyabheka Gloria.
Well, thank you, Sport. Definitely his goal is on the clock. Maskandi seems to be getting the ascendancy, getting into the right places. That ball ballooning over the top. It's carrying a tournament. We might see him a little bit later, but it is a Big Zulu right now on the ball. And oh, nicely done with the sidestep and very quick to react. Is Mpanza does well. It was Boza asking the questions. Shonga. Some defending to do. They need to get that ball over the top. Oh, beauty! And that gets hip hop. The goal, much needed. Shonga. We need to use the pace of Lungelo as well as Shonga. Some defending to do. They need to get that ball over the top. Oh, beauty! And that gets hip hop. The goal, much needed. That is a beauty. Boza. And oh, they call them avocado. Champonizer says the avocado in the house. That is hip hop in a lovely green uniform. And wonderfully done. And Stelo Dlomo getting onto the score sheet. He definitely does pack a shot as Stelo Dlomo, the goal scorer. in as early as the 27th minute. This is a 30-minute aside, by the way, and he just picks the spot, getting it away from the wall. Keeper, in this particular instance, you can blame him 100% because the wall is blocking the left-hand side. The keeper has definitely got to keep an eye on the right-hand side. Kuzani, his first touch letting him down.
Nje free kick. Khumbule ukuthi noMaskandi ke empeleni ke ne hip hop ikore nge free kick. Nalo udonga ke khona ngisho ubhuti omdala lapho udongeni ke uZulu. Sibheke ke uVilana eyiphakamisa ke free kick wayifaka esikhwameni ugoalkeeper. Wayithi nje khaxa
to the Hollywood bets. Here's a chance for hip hop. And a strike! What a beauty! What a beauty! Looks like touchline. He made sure he got a good one at the end of that. Keeper was flat on the ground. And the insurance goal we were talking about, touchline, left rib, the second goal that puts this game almost beyond the reach of Maskandi. It was a beauty. Have a look at this beautiful camera work and in slow motion, connected, keeper at full stretch, furthest away. But it was that pass from Big Zulu. But we are shy pass, and that was delicious. That was delightful. And touchline could make no mistake. Getting hold of it on the side of the boot, and that ball being taken furthest away from Pelelani Mpanza. Wapelelwa Umpanza. Couldn't do anything about a wonderfully taken strike there. Touchline. Are the tables being turned? Going to be full at work, and this is what happened. Big Zulu, oh, clipping on the ankles of Gacheni. Oh, and just stepping on the side of the foot.
Umfaka Mdambe uzobuza imbuzo na phezu kwebhadi. Yabona ma, if it's not your day eke nje nali ibhola ke befuna ke ngala uKE elifana futhi ibhola uKE kuzomela phase uphasile bala sibona namu uKE wenza njani kodwa ke balibamba ibhola usukumela ke ime ngenyawo outside of screen lapha ihip hop inhloko yabaqeqeshi lapha awubheke nje uKE ethola ke ngapha icaptain iphahlaza iwindi lapha akathiwa cha uthi kodwa uKE referee awuboni yini ukuthi la umuntu ingalo yami ke usigwebo uyibambe ngqi. Sibheke nje ngapha ihlangene ke 4 minutes usathule ke uNondweba nangu ke ulungelo elifuna futhi ibhola ke bamnikezile ulungelo kunethuba kalimoshile ulungelo lapha eround ugoalkeeper kodwa ke ibhola ke balikhipha futhi ke la ngase ke libalimaze khona. Bheka nje la Chicago Master asikazi uMaster phasa kahle kakhulu uMaster ethola uZondi eceleni kwebhadi. Oh, athi ke uNondweba ubheke nje uMaster la ethola kuZondi uthi uNondweba hayi cha kuphelile ebesihlangene ngakho. Hip hop, job well done. I planning yabo nazi lezantsizwa ke ziya kuNondweba